In this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to connect the Solana wallet on TapSwap Telegram. So we're going to open the Telegram app and you're going to tap on your TapSwap and click Start Now. So here in the dashboard, you can see how much coins you've earned and you can also see some other options down below. Now, when we click on Boost, you're supposed to have Connect Solana Wallet, but recently the announcement is that TapSwap won't be using Solana Wallet anymore. Now this is good because they want to make it more widely available, and that's why the option isn't here anymore in boosters. It's possible that others have tried to use the boosters where you have the option to connect your Solana wallet, but that option is no longer available. That means that you have to wait and accumulate as many coins as possible until TapSwap is ready to create a connection method with other wallets. So in the meantime, you can go, of course, to increase your taps and earn more coins, follow some tasks and accomplish them, and then continue with your referrals until TapSwap makes it possible for you to migrate your coins to another wallet. So this is what you need to know if you'd like to connect your Solana wallet or any wallet on TapSwap.